All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted teeth grill set that we just had done for a customer. You're looking at 10 top teeth and 10 bottom teeth. It's made 925 solid sterling silver with gold plating. You can get this on our website, blingcartel.com. You get quality handmade work, guys. Handmade, designed to fit perfectly. I'll show you the back side. So these snap right on the teeth, guys. There's no silicone mold or anything like that required with the custom grills. These are real grills. So once they're made, you just snap them on your teeth and they stay on real nice and snug. Perfect fit, made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. Okay, well, there it is, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.